In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a controller on MuMu Player and get it set up for smooth gameplay. If you enjoy playing mobile games on your PC, adding a controller can make the experience much more comfortable and precise. First, open MuMu Player on your computer. Plug in your controller via USB or connect it through Bluetooth if it's wireless. Once connected, MuMu Player should detect it automatically. If it doesn't, click on the settings icon in the emulators toolbar, then go to the Controller or Gamepad settings section. Here, you'll see options to enable your controller and map the buttons. Select your controller from the list, then customize the controls to match your playstyle. You can drag the on-screen button indicators to the right spots and assign them to your controller buttons. After setting everything, save your configuration. Launch your favorite game inside MuMu Player, and your controller should work right away. If the buttons feel off, just return to the settings to tweak them. That's all you need to enjoy MuMu Player with a controller. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tips.